Hi everyone, today you are going to learn 10th class 7th chapter, that is coordinate geometry, in that exercise number 7.4, fourth exercise. In this fourth exercise mainly we are going to be discussed about slope. So we should know the meaning of slope. Here slope is denoted by small m actually. Slope is denoted by the small m. What is meaning of slope? A general idea will be giving here about the slope. We will be learning more in your intermediate classes. Slope is nothing but where can you find the slopes in your surroundings? Just think over it. When you go to the park or in the school or to take the motor vehicles to the inside of the home or taking down the vehicles from the home to the road, will construct some slopes. In the parks we can see some slides children used to play, that I can show you here on the newer textbook itself. These are the slopes. Here the slopes can be found. Here the slopes jaradam ki use chestuntaru, deenni slope anadu. So how to find out the slope? How to find out that slope? It depends on the x coordinates and y coordinates of a given 2 points. So here the slope, mainly about the slope we have to learn. See that when x coordinates are equal or 0, see that when x coordinates are equal, suppose x1 comma y1, here x1 comma y2, what happens? See, x coordinates are same, y coordinates are y1, y2, they are different, like suppose 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, like that. X coordinates are same or x coordinates are 0 suppose, then the slope is undefined, cannot be defined. The slope is cannot be defined, that is infinity. The slope is infinity when x coordinates are same or equal. When x coordinates are same, this happens, the slope cannot be defined. These are the important things we have to remember. And when y coordinates are same or equal, see that here x1 comma y1, here x2 comma y1, here y1 y1, that means y coordinates are same. For example 2 comma 7, here 3 comma 7. What happens where y coordinates are same? So the slope is 0. The slope is 0. Here the slope, about the slope I am telling you. The slope is 0. When slope is undefined, when x coordinates are same or zeros, if x coordinates are same or both are zeros, then the slope of the given coordinates, the given 2 points, is undefined or cannot be defined. So when y coordinates are same or equal, the slope is always 0. Why this happens like that, you will come to know slowly in the exercise problems. And mainly regarding the slope again, sometimes they may ask you to find out the slope angle of the slope. Sometimes they may ask you to find out the angle of the slope. So first of all we should know what is the formula of slope. The slope formula, which is denoted by m, no I said. The slope formula is m equal to tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula, that's it. M equal to tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Why this tan theta, sir? So don't remember this. So I will tell you there is two situations here. Slope formula is only what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This we use if they ask you to find out only slope మాత్రమే find out చేయమంటే ఇది యూజ్ చేస్తాం m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Then we get the slope. If they ask that find out the angle of the slope, angle of the slope find out చేయమంటే ఏం చేయాలి? tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Same formula. But if they ask you to find out the slope, we use m equal to. If they ask you to find out the angle of the slope, instead of m we use tan theta అని రాస్తాం. ఇక్కడ tan theta equal to formula. అక్కడ రెండు పాయింట్స్ ఇస్తాడు, ఆ రెండు పాయింట్స్ నుంచి x1 y1 x2 y2 that we have to substitute. And see that this is the formula now. What y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula to find out the slope. ఇది ఫార్ములా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి. చూడండి ఈ కండిషన్స్ లో అప్లై చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. x కోఆర్డినేట్స్ 0 అయ్యాయి, లేకుంటే x కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అనుకుందాం. If x coordinates are same, substitute where is the x coordinates? Here. x2 minus x1 ఏమవుతుంది? 2 minus 2 0. Something by 0 always infinity. అందుకే ఇప్పుడు x coordinates సేమ్ అయినా జీరోస్ అయినా ఏమవుతుంది? డినామినేటర్ లో 0 వస్తుంది. If denominator is 0, cannot be defined. Okay, y coordinates are same అనుకుందాం. 7 minus 7. The y coordinates are in the numerator. 7 minus 7 is 0 or 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 by something always 0. That is what 0. If x coordinates are same or equal, the slope is cannot be defined. If y coordinates are same or equal, the slope is 0. And the formula of slope is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where they ask you to find out the slope only. And if they ask you to find out the angle of the slope, the tan theta we have to use. This tan theta will tell us. So in the trigonometry chapter we have learned about the values of the tan theta. So here you will get some value. Accordingly we get the slope. So sometimes I will tell you there will be no question on asking angle of the slope actually, but let us find out the angle of the slope by taking one example here. So I have given a 2 points 2, 5. For example this, just if you write the point A 2, 5 and the point B is 1, 3. Point B is 1, 3. So find out the angle of the slope. Find angle of the slope. Just mentioning this in your fair notebook also, it may help you. Angle of the slope in the sense tan theta equal to formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us find out this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Let us do it y2 minus y1 3 minus 5 by x2 minus x1 1 minus 2 1 minus 2. So here 1 minus 3 will take it here 3. So 1 minus 3. So what happens? 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Let us take this. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 2. So tan theta equal. So minus minus get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. You will get 1. That means tan theta equal to what you will get here? 1. So tan theta equal to 1. In the trigonometric ratio table, this tan 45 degrees equal to will give us 1. So tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Instead of this 1, I can write tan theta equal to this 1 equal to I can write tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees I can write. Why? This 1 in tan 45 equal to 1. This tan and tan I can cancel on both the sides, and theta equal to 45 degrees. The angle of this slope, theta is nothing but an angle. The angle of this slope is 45 degrees. అంటే ఆ స్లోప్ అనేది x యాక్సిస్ తోని ఎంత యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ x యాక్సిస్ తోని ఎంత యాంగిల్ చేస్తుందని తెలుసుకోండి. సో హియర్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ గివెన్. yes, so here point A and point B, and here 0, 0. Here this is what angle is making, this slope, what angle is making with an x axis. it can be find out by using tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1 comma y1 point, here x2 comma y2 point. By using this formula, we can find out what angle is making with an x axis. X axis toni enta angle ni make chestundi anedi find out cheyadaniki use chestam. Only slope find out cheyamante matram direct the slope of AB, the slope of CD, a letters iste a letters toni ee formula use chesi find out chestam. Ikkada varaku find out chestam. But angle, when they ask angle, you have to use tan theta, remember. And this one if you write in the notes, it may help you. And also I requested to please go through the example number 22 and 23. Example question numbers 22 and 23 problems. These two problems you have to refer. Okay. Those problems may help you to do the slope. Okay. Now we go for the exercise problems of 7.4. 7.4. In the 7.4 we have 8 questions. Let us solve this 8 out of 8 questions here. Find the slope of the lines passing through the given 2 points. Okay. A slope find out cheyamantunadu. Okay, we have not given the name. Let us take the name of the points like A, B only. Always the first point A 4 comma minus 8 and B 5 comma minus 2. So let us find out the slope of AB. Slope of AB. Slope of AB line is equal to AB line equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is a x1 y1 x2 y2 minus 2 minus y1 value is minus 8, minus of minus is plus 8 by x2 that is 5 minus according to formula and x1 that is 4. So here 8 minus 2 is 6, 5 minus 4 is 1, nothing but 6 by 1 is nothing but 6. The slope of AB line is equal to 6. That is 6. Now we go for the second one. The second one here, that is 0 comma 0 and root 3 comma 3. 0 comma 0 and here A point and the B point is root 3 comma 3. As we know, this is a x1 y1 x2 y2. Let us find out the slope of AB line. The slope of the line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 3 minus 0 by x2 minus x1 root 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is 3 by root 3 minus 0 is root 3. So denominator should not be a irrational number. Let us rationalize this numerator 3. As we know, root n into root n is equal to n. The n can be written as root n into root n. Like 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3, that is root 9. Root 9 value is 3. So 3 get cancelled. It is root 3. Now if it are, for example, in the slope is, therefore the slope of AB line equal to root 3. If at all they ask you to find out the angle of this slope, దీనికి angle find out చేయమన్నాడు. ఏం చేయాలి? Say tan theta equal to what you got? Slope root 3. Suppose angle C. So this root 3 equal to nothing but a tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees equal to, that is root 3 value. So tan theta equal to tan 60 degrees. Theta equal to 60 degrees. Simple. Theta equal to 60 degrees. అంటే యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేది slope, that is tan theta. tan theta equal to this. The angle is 60 degree. That slope అనేది x axis ని 60 degrees angle తో చేస్తుంది. They may ask you this slope angle in the bits. Okay, please concentrate. And we go for the question number. If you want to copy in the box by making box, you can do this in the fair note also. It may help you sometimes. Okay, then the question number 3, and we take the question number 4. Question number 3 and question number 4 here. Question number 4 and here the question number 3 of first bit. Only there is a one bit here. Then question number 3 here 2a comma 3b a minus b, and question number 4 is a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Let us find out the slope. Now we go for that. Let us substitute y2 minus y1 minus b minus y1, that is 3b, by x2 minus x1, x2 that is a minus x1 that is 2a. So here there is a 1a, here there is a 1b, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4b, minus 1b minus 3b minus 4b, 1a minus 2a, 1 minus 2, 1a minus 2a, 1 minus 2 is minus a, minus minus get cancelled, that is 4b by a, 4b by a. The slope of AB, the slope of AB, the given points E is 4b by a. Now here also y2 minus y1 b minus 0 by x2 minus x1 0 minus a, that equal to b minus 0 is b by 0 minus a is minus a, that equal to minus b by a. This minus is not for the denominator, it's not represents for numerator. It tells us that it is a negative. It is a negative. That's it. The slope of AB is equal to minus b by a. Finished. Now minus b by a it is, not minus b by a. b అనేది minus కాదు ఇక్కడ, minus b by a అని చదవాలి. minus b by a, that means it is a negative fraction of the whatever the fraction we have to read. Minus a fraction of seconds you have to stop and you have to start reading, but should not read like minus b by a. Okay, so it comes, pronunciation will comes like that, but we should know the meaning of it. Okay, then we go for the question number 5 and question number 6. Same way we find out the slope. Question number 5 and question number 6. Then the question number 5 is here minus 1.4 comma minus 3.7 minus 2.4 comma 1.3. Question number 5 it is. Question number 6 3 comma minus 2 minus 6 comma minus 2. So see, now here y2 minus y1, y2 1.3 minus y1 minus of 3.7, minus of minus is place 1.3 and place 3.7 we got it because it is the minus 3.7. x2 minus 2.4 minus x1 is what? Minus 1.4. Here already minus and it is minus 1.4. So place 1.4. Now let us do it here. 3 plus 7 0 and 1 carry 10, that is 1 carry, and 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. You get 1.3 plus 3.7. 1.3 plus 3.7 will give us 1 carry, that is 5.0. Here we write 5.0 by minus 2.4, 1.4, you will get 0.4 here. 0.4, 1.4 will get that minus 1 will get, yes. 2.4 and it is 1.4. Subtract this 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. That we got 1, but is minus 1. Minus 1.0. That can be written as, see here, minus 5 by 1. Minus 5 by 1. So here minus we write for the fraction and 5 by 1 is there. After the points, these zeros will not be considered. Minus 5 by 1 is nothing but a minus 5. The slope is minus 5. And here, let us find out the slope of this. y2 minus y1. Minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2 again. Here minus again it is minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2 by x2 minus 6. x2 minus 6 and minus x1, that is 3. See that if you observe, the y coordinates are equal. If y coordinates are equal, what I said, the slope is 0. Let me see now. The slope will you get 0 or not? Plus 2 minus 2, 0. By minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. 0 by something always 0. So the slope is always 0 because when y coordinates are same or equal. So I hope you understood. The remaining only 2 problems. Let us solve the 2 problems now. Here, let me write that 2 problems directly. Now, the question number 7. The question number 7. The question number 7 is here. A. Point A. Minus 3 whole 1 by 2, comma 3. The point B is minus 7, comma 2 whole 1 by 2. So these points are in the mixed fraction forms. So I would like to be change this into the improper fraction forms. So here I will write minus 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that is 7 by 2, comma it is 3. And here minus 7, comma 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. Now here it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. Let us find out the slope of these given 2 points. The slope which is passing through these two. The slope of AB line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2, that is 5 by 2, minus y1, that is 3. 3 I can write as a 3 by 1 whole by x2 minus x1. x2 is minus 7 minus x1 is minus 7 by 2. Minus into minus plus 7 by 2. This we can write again by 1. And see that what we are going to do it now. First in the numerator part, let us take the cross multiplication. Here we do the cross multiplication and try to understand. 2 ones are 2. 1 into 5, 5 minus 2 3s are 6 whole by. Here also we do the cross multiplication. 1 2s are 2. 2 into 7, that is 14, minus 14 plus 1 7s are 7. Now see, here we get 5 into minus 6 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to, here 7 minus 14. 7 minus 14 is minus 7 by 2. When fraction by fraction comes, I told you many times what we have to do. Let us write the numerator fraction as it is. Into we do the reciprocal of second fraction. Minus, that is 2 by 7. 7 by 2 becoming 2 by 7. See that this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Now minus into minus, that is plus. Minus into minus, that is a plus we get. And here in the numerator we got only 1 and 1. 1 into 1 is 1 by 1 into 7 is 7. Therefore the slope of AB line equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7. Then we go for the 8th question and the last one of this. exercise, that is a equal to 0 comma 4 and b equal to 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0, that is a equal to 0 comma 4 and b equal to 4 comma 0. Let us find out the slope of this. We write here it is a x1, y1 and x2, y2. The slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1, 0 minus 4 by x2, that is 4, minus x1 is 0, that is minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are get cancelled, it is minus 1. Therefore, the slope of AB line is equal to minus 1. I hope you understood that how to find out the slope of the given 2 points. So, with this we have completed our chapter coordinate geometry. Please practice this coordinate geometry. If you practice, very easy chapter and scoring chapter it is. Exercise wise problems and formulas I have explained here. Go through the every problem and try to practice at least one time. That is more enough. You will get maximum idea and you will get full marks from this chapter. Thank you for watching this chapter and this video. Thank you all. Bye.